Alright, here's the sled. I decided to go the simple route. Just that melamine with a couple 2x4s. Saw some people on the internet that had this kind of setup and it looked really simple. I squared it, the fences, using a strip that I put into the kerf, the cutout from the saw blade. Just playing down a strip until it fit in there real tight. Hopefully you can see that. And then just used a square against that. And let's make a test cut. See what happens. Alright. Give her a shot. Just going to use something kind of wide so there's a lot of travel. Hold the blade up. Good enough. And plan on putting a saw guard and one of those little boxes back here, you know. Some more safety features and stuff in it. So let's take a look. There it is. Oh wow, you guys can't see that, can you? There's the cut, and then let's flip it over. How do you do it? Oh yeah, I guess you do that. Let's flip it over, make sure it's square, and looks good. Square along the fence. Sorry that's out of focus, but anyway. Looks pretty good. So that's the sled. Bam.